Drive unlimited targeted traffic to your Videract videos from world's top influencers on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and high-traffic popular blogs in any niche. Get powerful unlimited targeted traffic in any niche. Get influencers to promote your offers to their large 100K or 1 million plus subscribers on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and high-traffic blogs. Deploy the most successful strategy used by Walmart, Canon, WD, American Express, LYFT, Sodastream to skyrocket their profits. With commercial license, get traffic for others and make money. Create clients' campaign from your dashboard, get them traffic, and charge them one-time high price or monthly recurring fee. Drive hyper-responsive traffic in just 3 steps. Step 1. Find 1,000s of influencers on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and high-traffic blogs using keywords, niche, country, and number of followers. Step 2. Send messages and emails to these 1,000s of targeted influencers with your proposals in any niche and any business. Step 3. Create and manage campaign to drive traffic to your Videract videos. See Videract Traffic Rage in action. In this short video, Feature 1. Get influencers to promote your offer to their large 100K or 1 million plus subscribers on your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and high-traffic blogs. Feature 2. Find influencers having high-traffic blogs based on Alexa rank, country rank, and load time when you search for it via keyword, niche or country. Feature 3. Get email ID and contact details of any influencer on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and high-traffic blogs in one click. Feature 4. View detailed information about each influencer like engagement rate, post, followers, following, last account activity, last online time, analysis of each post of each influencer to get an idea of profitability with them. Feature 5. Check all the saved influencers in My Influencers section. Feature 6. Send personal message and/or email to the influencer instantly. Feature 7. Save high-converting messages, emails, and reuse them again to save time while dealing with other influencers. Feature 8. Create and manage campaigns to send traffic to your Videract videos. Feature 9. Detailed analytics section helps you find winner campaign and provide you with minute details to help you decrease your traffic cost and increase ROI. Feature 10. With commercial license, get traffic for others and make money. If Videract Traffic Rage doesn't work for you, no problem. You'll get all your money back. And in case it did work for you to some extent, and you do end up making money with all the traffic surge you are going to get to your videos, you get to keep all the money. Try Videract Traffic Rage at 0 risk for 30 days. Get a refund whenever you want within 30 days.